today we're going to do a video on our Mini Cooper S R56 that you can see here. We are going to change the pollen filter to make it all lovely and fresh inside. Oh, it's talking to me. Right, basically it's two types of pollen filter. There's this one which you can see it's not dirty, it's actually impregnated with carbon. You can see there it's got and the carbon is used to absorb odor and pollution. Some people call it a pollution filter. So these are also called cabin filters. This one here is the cheaper one, and you can see my hand through that. That's just a finely woven sort of paper element, and that'll get pollen, that'll get dust, but it won't absorb the odor that you can get in pollution. So we are going to go large, and we're going to fit this pollution one. One thing to note on here is that it does have an airflow on it. So one thing we need to look when we take it out, and also we might check it.
Which is going down if the writing's the right way up.
So the air needs to be going down. Now, it's hard to tell which one it should be. Is that side slightly darker? I don't know, but at least we know that's the way we want it flowing. So we'll bear that in mind. So let's grab that and let's have a look what we've got going on here. Right, how are we going to do this here? So the first thing we need is a little flat blade screwdriver. I wonder if I can reach across. I'll jump in the other side.
So we're in the passenger side of the car.
Yeah, important to note, this is for the UK /
right hand drive.
The wheel is on the correct side, notice. Right, so we're going under the glove box, and we can see this little sort of plastic tray here, and it's got this little hole in. If I just push back, well, that's gone, both of them. I think that one should be clipped as well. But you've got another one on this side as well. But it looks like once you flex the top, it pretty much... Now, I don't know if that just hinges, yeah. So it's not going to fall off, it hinges down. I don't know if you can get the camera under enough, Ian. But you've got the pollen filter. It looks like you can see...
It kind of doesn't really fit in there, it looks like.
No, he's squashed already, isn't he? So it looks like he's going to slide out this way, does he? How are we going to get him out? Oh gosh, we got dust and all sorts. Oh, it looks like it just wants to. So I'm going to just drag it out this way. So, oh, that is minging.
So the top is definitely where the air's
coming because we've got all the dust, right? Because that's where all the outside. So, and let's have a look if this one was.
It wants to be the right way up.
Yeah, and the airflow is that way. That is disgusting. Let's have the new one. Oh, he's going to smell like a... Look at the two of them together here. Let's show that. So that's...
And that's a carbon one.
Yeah.
That's not even a white one.
I don't even know if it was a carbon one or not, but that's minging. Yeah, it was a carbon.
It was a carbon one once.
Yeah, once. There you go.
But yeah, it's the right way up.
So yeah, all the bits of dust are going to come in there.
I don't really know how well we can show this, but...
I don't know, this is a rubbish video. Well, he seems to go in, look. He goes in a lot better.
You got kind of... Does it slide off to the side, does it?
There is a rail there. I can see a rail. I'm going to try and feed it in like it's on rails. Look, there, look. That's the better way. You seeing that, Ian?
Yeah, we can see that, I think.
We can see there's a little
plastic. So you feed it right in from the end.
Yeah, and it just does this. So there's a little rail up there, and it follows like a little track. Like what you can see up there. Camera's a bit tall. This little bit seems to poke out at the end, but that's okay because the other one did that, didn't it? The old one did that, but that's well and truly in there. So let's have a look. Close him up. That clips on. That clips on, and it's as easy as that. That is so easy. There's no excuse to have a stinky pollen filter.